Regularly changing the air filters in your home improves your air quality, as well as ensuring your HVAC system is operating efficiently. Your air filter is the main source of capturing dirt, dust, and allergens from the air we breathe inside of our homes. It is also a very easily forgotten part of maintaining your HVAC equipment. If it's not replaced regularly, it can lead to several issues within your home. Not changing your air filters regularly will allow excess dirt and dust to get by your filter. A dirty filter reduces the quality of the indoor air you breathe, and it can also cause more serious problems like a dirty evaporator coil. It can reduce the amount of airflow the unit is capable of and create additional strain on the fan. Any of these issues will reduce the unit's efficiency and potentially damage mechanical equipment. The easiest solution is to simply set a reminder and change your home's filter every 90 days. This is a good rule of thumb, although the recommended time can vary based on the interior conditions of your home. When it comes to the type of filter to use, there are several different options based on the type of unit you have, the size of the filter you need, and what type of particles you are trying to remove. Most residential units use a 1-inch thick filter. The least expensive and resistive filters are flat panel filters. They filter the least amount of particles. A step up are the pleated filters, which provide more filtration surface area in the same size filter. Filters are rated in either MPR or MERV. The higher the number, the more efficient the filter is at capturing particles. However, unless a unit is designed to handle them, anything above a rating of MERV 11 or MPR 1200 can choke the airflow to the unit. In most residential homes, filters are located in an accessible return air grill. In order to access the filter, simply undo the latches and open the hinged cover. The filter can be easily removed and replaced. Most filters come with an airflow indicator to make sure the filter is installed facing the correct direction. Your unit is now ready to resume providing quality indoor air. Thank you for taking some time to learn with Lyons. We hope these preventative maintenance tips will keep your system running for years to come. Until next time.